homemade bread. Gonna make sausage grinders. These are about to go into the oven at 400 degrees for how many minutes? You gotta watch them, maybe like 10, 12 minutes, 15 maybe, depending on your oven. And who knows, depending on your elevation or your dimension. This is interdimensional bread though. So, Nicholastranscends every day. So do you. Hey y'all, my mom always told me not to brush my hair in the kitchen, but it's my kitchen, so. This is the finished result of the bread. 5 simple ingredients. Check the description for the ingredients. Have a great day.